Heya, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. The look in this video was inspired by one of my favorite Bible stories found in Daniel 3:19-30, the story of the blazing furnace. Products used for this look will be in the description box below. Some of the links in the description box are affiliate links, therefore, when you buy products through those links, I may earn a small commission which will help sustain this channel. So, if you want to support me and my channel other than subscribing, liking, and sharing my videos, this is one way to help grow the channel. Thank you so much for your support always. As much as it was a miracle to the Hebrew boys that they were unbound and unharmed despite being under fire, a furnace that was heated 7 times more than usual, it was a display of God's mighty power to King Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar, though sinful, proud, and thought of himself as a god, the God of the heavens pursued him through his dreams and in the life of the 3 Hebrew boys. God used the fire that tested the Hebrew boys to light up the darkness that engulfed the proud Nebuchadnezzar. After several more encounters with God, Nebuchadnezzar finally humbled himself and praised, glorified, and honored the King of Heaven. When he surrendered to God, he was restored with even greater honor. This story reminded me of 2 things. For all of us whose faith is being tested, us who are under fire, in crisis, persecuted, that God will use the very fire that's testing us to light up those who are in the dark so they too may be a light. It also reminded me of God's sovereignty, long patience, and great love, that even when there are times that we were proud, acted independently from God, worshipped ourselves, He pursued us and snatched us from the darkness and reminded us of who we are in Him, because He cares so deeply for us. Nebuchadnezzar, nor I, do not deserve such holy love. I do not deserve to be pursued by such a wonderful, wonderful God. Yet He did, and still does, because His love is greater, His love is longer, wider, deeper than we can ever imagine. I hope that we remain faithful in the fire like the Hebrew boys and be humbled by the great and rich love that only the Lord can give, so that we may honor Him with our lives.